Hey everybody, today we've got a 1978 Ford Bronco. This project we just finished up, came out gorgeous. Repainted, all the interior and all the exterior has been repainted. The top came off for that, the windows came out. We did put a new windshield in it. Very, very nice. This is the original paint scheme. It's a Ranger XLT. Pinstriping on there, new grille, new headlights. New emblems. These tires are 35-inch tires on 15-inch wheels. Those are vintage 70s wheels that we were able to spit polish. They look brand new. All new suspensions. Got a 4-inch BDS suspension lift kit and 6 Fox 2.0 performance shocks. It's also got the steering stabilizers underneath, skyjacker. All new Moog steering components and bushings. Dual exhausts or Flowmasters, those are new. I should say this is a 4-speed manual truck as well. It's a 351M with a 4-speed factory. A lot of fun to drive. Looks really good all underneath here. The rear glass goes up and down, no problem. You can use the switch in the front or you can use the key in the back. Both are working. Gorgeous truck. The interior is all fresh too. Used OEM cloth inside. Redid all the seats. Just the way they looked in 78. It's got a new sound system as well. There's 4 Infinity speakers plus an Infinity sub in the back with a Bluetooth custom auto sound head unit. All these door panels have been refinished. No cracks in the dash whatsoever. Real nice headliner area. All the gauges are working. All of the lights are working. Signals, everything. Console's in great shape. New carpet. We did do Dynamat all inside of here. Inside the door panels, in the back. Under the dash and the firewall. The carpet area as well, of course. All that's new. AC system is all replaced, so it's the factory AC truck, but it's got a new compressor, new evap, some other new parts there, and it blows cold. It is converted to 134A. Go ahead and give it a start here. All the brakes, the master cylinders, the brake booster, master cylinder, brake booster, drums, rotors, pads, everything has been replaced. All the lines, also new belts, new weather stripping and seals. It's basically a new truck. It's gorgeous. Sounds great, runs great. Side real quick. Really pretty in here. We can raise this up here. Look underneath there. Really high quality interior. This is very, very nice. Goes down the highway at 80 miles an hour. No issues. All these door jambs are painted. Real pretty truck. You don't see these too often. Give us a call, text, email. I'm sure I'm missing something. I'm going to put all the details in the description. We can ship anywhere in the country. We can do deals with your bank. Financing guys, we can help you out. We can do deals remotely. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram as well, Rogers_motorcars. And we hope to hear from you soon on this one. Be a great collector, show truck, whatever you decide to do with it.